Yamamo akwaba. Afe tomilikane shayen ewo Facebook and afinsi YouTube. Na yamfa kase bono echiri mankasa ensemo. Make say oswafo no eno Mike ana. Ohwe kwan ahodo aye faso edi dwuma befo kwan so mekire Minister of Communications, Digital Technology and Innovations. Ono kura yenso na ya adehia. Wonom ewo ningo prampram, womahye bedwane. Oniminyamfo Samuel na Tegeorge. Odensam atudwa echire mu sei. Yankopɔ ya adoma enche bia. Yansam kada hyehyefo ewo maden aboa yen ma etumi dinkita hode pii wo mayi mu no. Ye ba beye registration foforo kra wo mayi mu. Na no ne de aba no. Kyese oye wi a echire din. Na nya ade a obi ampo ebeha ne humpo akwakoye bio. Na oniminyamfo chire mu sei. Hyehyɛ pa wo mede gwa kwan beboa pa magana ni wo ho nkyerɛw. Enya afi na beto omaden ato santene akwakogina teko sunu mpanifo adwuma anase o makate akwasan line da bi enkoso saa na mra obo no ho modern friends entwerefo nhye mu da ene wo kire mu sei Ghana mampeni bremo oboada John Dramani Mahama akire ne sei dwumadie no omomfa nwu akwan mu kama se beya Ghana ni bia ho kwankwa kire no enkwaya de saa kane de a emfimpim no na emfimpim no donu eye miensam no abandan ye nipa bu fa so breye no ebi nsi bie wo manyim na wo kire me se we Ghana ni kapre wuntua bi o ombeye hyehyɛ foforo wa wo fon so obetumi aye san hyehyɛ ni nyina kama obetumi adi so kama unkɔ ba bia nkɔye na wa wo fon to pepe watumi aye process ni nyina wankasa wo fon so no kire me se we no kapre muntua ntinya ade a aban abode trim poso opeso obaji Ghana ni sika di nti no ombeye sa adwuma de we nti obi anka na koma fanto na we die aye fodefo na wo ye nsonya de abebre kra fifire bia ni mu a obete ye kra.
The intermediary is not going to be paid a peswa from the Ghanaian taxpayers, either you as an individual or the NCA as an institution. So no taxpayers' money is going to go to the technical partner providing who will be selected. And let's be clear, I've seen a lot of things on social media that the minister has directed and given the contract to a company. Please, as we sit now, the request for procurement is at PPA. You know, for those of you who follow me, I actually put my job on the line and said that if anybody could show a contract, I challenged my brother Bright and said if you could show one page of a contract, I will resign as minister. Since then, it's been months. Wada, well, okay. But I can assure you that the NCA will not pay a peswa to the technical provider.
Any yentua hu we no eya kila ntua sem registration na ba so no na eno achi no ene wo kire mu am hyehyɛ pa wonum de agu akwan mu no emu da ho enti ye ba beye no enko na nsa amaso o my Ghana yesem card register yesa akoye bio osi we ba beye no ye wi a e kire din ye nya bio e wo manyim.
The Minister for Interior, who doubles as the Minister for National Security, is briefing down my neck to give him a credible SIM register. Because there are times when law enforcement needs to identify a person. They pick what we have today, or they ask us, and based on what we have today, we provide them information. They go and pick up the individual, and you realize you've picked up the wrong person. The person's Ghana card was cloned and used to register a SIM that was involved in a criminal activity. So we've got huge needs that have to be dealt with, and that's why the stakeholder approach is working. The third thing for me, that is the reason why this will be the final one, is that at the base of this is not procurement. At the base of this is consumer protection and comfort. Because the real battle with the last registration was procurement. Today, that's not what our interest is. Our interest is getting a system that works, that's owned by the NCA and the NIA. So I'm very confident that if we do this right, working with you as our partners in the media, this will be our final.
Anyway, the last one amuye Ghana for mu wi a munye bio mu kwoto santene enkwa nko register mo sim bio kram. Na no achi no nyamfo Sam George esan kire mu sei ye wo mayi mu no kobrane atimi ayi ne Ghana card sei minua se o Ghana card na yira won hu akire kwan mesrew ma memfa me de no register ma na faye bi o kire mu a hyehyɛ pom de agu akwan mu no e bia me Nhyiraba me de me Ghana card e register me de na masan so e de register ma kofitela eduru so na me ya me de ni wie pe kofitela de no ton tentan ne line ne nka bio efiri sei so bi kodi bone na sa wo de wasam card na sa Ghana card register ma ne pe e bi mpa na nka nya wo nipa na Ghana card wo de ne wadi bone na nso ne yakwache sa nipa no enti obesere wa wonim na wo de Ghana card e register obi sem no What the ne be ya dwuma ba sa nipa kro ne de wo ya de ne wi a ne de no e kire din wontumi ensan register and sa nipa kro ne sim card no akwedi mpenifo nchen eduro bianka dem.
I don't envisage that everybody who has a SIM card today will try to register under this process. You know why? The number of fraudulently acquired SIM cards. And those persons will not be able to authenticate their Ghana cards and against their SIM cards. So I envisage that there will be people, and as media people, it's important you understand this, and we're streaming live. There are people who will go on social media to try and scream and say that, oh, we can't register. No. Just like what Nhyiraba pointed out is happening at the NIA, where somebody tried to use his Ghana card and do facial recognition to register for somebody else, hoping to alter the fields when he gets in the next phase. And those fields they're immutable. It's the same thing that's going to happen. If you're using a SIM card today that is acquired fraudulently using somebody's Ghana card, don't forget that now when that person uses his Ghana card to do his own registration, he will set his primary number. So if you try to register that same, because maybe you have a copy or a photograph and you try to enter the details, when you try to do the liveliness test, the system will flag it and not allow that number to be registered. And so for those who are engaged in mobile money fraud, they are part of the people who will be on social media today saying that this registration must not happen, because we will be able to block every SIM card that was not registered by the real owner of the Ghana card will not be able to go through this process. And that's why we're refusing to do a wholesale transfer of what has been already registered.
Any din etimika say we yam pram ebia woni Ghana card ene wakwaje o maame o papa wadamfo bi de na wode aye wode a oniminyamfo Sam George say enipa kura akwaje ne Ghana card no wie ne de pe wode no ekire din wonse nkan bi ho eni bomodia na kope Ghana card na kire kwan na fa ya wode ente sa eduro bianka dem na owie no wakire mu say ene wo ho na obi afrɛ hello make us Canada owa fase ni mpo na make say me de Adjoa fo wa me ne ma na koduru airport na mesrew kwa wokwa betua 5000 na mo de ama wan enhwene no me de aba mo nkofa o kire ma mo a mo ba mani akromfotechi a mo atese mo de mu nim so obi aloport mo afete ko bi aka chese osimesi peso obo me kro no wia me sika mo sa ankofo mo de mo ahye mo nso abe fontentan no so wokona kura gisa wosem ka na ye bio do say nipa kwa na wosem ka automatically no. This
is because I'm saying this, I want to emphasize on this so that people don't fall victim. Someone will come to you and say, please register for me. Please do not register a SIM card for anybody who is not your dependent. Say maybe your own child or a family member. If you use your Ghana card to register a number and that number is reported as having engaged in fraud, mobile money fraud, and it's investigated and it is found out, the device is going to be blocked, the number is going to be blocked, and the Ghana card is going to be flagged. We've decided to be flexible enough to allow that Ghana card do another registration of a new SIM. But if the same Ghana card is found to be involved in more than one fraudulent registration of a number used in mobile money fraud, that Ghana card will be blocked and barred from being able to register a SIM in the country.
Na ne kwakura mo no numinyamfo Sam George chiremu a sese no hyehyapom de agwa kwamu na eba no emu bayire pass premier ne awa mu enti se oye obi a wona ba fontentan so kro no bofra kadam flood na we ya ebe den pa obebre papa ebe so expensive wunya ni easy so betumi abokro no awie obi fon ana ba wie obi kura mobile money e wona account mu na den wa wia no ebe den pa de amount.
Is this the panacea to Momo fraud? To a very large extent. I believe that it will make Momo fraud very expensive, because today, even if you report and we are able to even deactivate the SIM, the cost to the fraudster is 10 Ghana cedis. That's the cost of a new SIM. But if we deactivate the SIM and also block the device that is connected to that SIM, and he will have to spend some 2,000 or 3,000 to buy a new phone. That in itself is raising the cost of committing the fraud. And if he does it a second time and his Ghana card is blocked, he actually loses access to literally every government service.
Any awoti ye ono na make say my Ghana enkita hudie na afia ba for kwan ye faso di dwuma. Minister of Communications, Digital Technology and Innovations, Oniminyamfo Samuel Nate George ena wote ninkan.
Yentwa kasiabone so na Ghana photo sanfo Dr. Castle atoba force and Edin Sama tuja hremu se ade omude nhihye pa egu akwa mu se ne be yom betimi afa adwumayefo ahodo ade egu public sector nim na okasa ana ochemu se ya ketua na woso muntua ewo mfimpimienu ne aduonunum ni muntino ehye aban no ema ne kobo obesia 17 billion Ghana cedis se ne be yobetimi atwiaka no ne okasa ewo dialogue komuni omampani John Dramani Mahama eye obene bosom ne deto so eye dunso ewo mfimpimienu ene aduonu nsia ni mu ana eye Ghana photo sanfodi tudwa na ochemu se sa recruitment ya ekosui efa eye openi omuni organized labor for eye sane ebe yo mbetimi aboa se eye oman nnwumaku ahodo a ewo oman Ghana mu no ombetimi afa adwumayefo ede agumu no chema year 2025 compensation bill ne kra na 78.9 billion Ghana cedis enti no soafo ede ato eye omuamuka bienim ema omarehemu se eye ade asa recruitment ye ekosi omehesa omo budget no ombetimi ateso.
Excellency, in the year 2026 so far we have received from the fair wages and salaries proposals of conditions of service amounting to 7.4 billion Ghana cedis, which we are reviewing. The 2026 agreement between government and organized labor still holds. In fact, per the 9th November 2025 agreement on the 2026 base pay, government committed to engage with unions on outstanding conditions of service and undertake critical recruitment into the public service, all within budget constraints. In this regard, government has commenced processes for the recruitment of staff into the public service. Fair Wages and Salaries Commission has also commenced negotiations with organized labor on review of conditions of service, and very soon we'll be approving them.
Eni ya uti ye Ghana photo sanfo ya Dr. Castle atoba forcing.
Yantwa kasiabon so yemon fanwure mwe ewa pomodimu Nadine Edema School of Nursing and Midwifery ewa University of Health and Allied Sciences. Opening the day at the professor Peter Adatara or the smart tuja hremi say adia pa tete or my Ghana adwumayefo momaden ye adwuma ewa pomuden emia hoto mechire doctors midwife for ene nurses no adia kitua bi pe na tete onum na no odene o kiremu a de di kampa bia ya omo ye adwuma wo no edu ba bia ehwanye data mienu poor condition of service adwuma omo ye mo de omo krasi nipa na mu bu adwumade entesa nanso empenifo mo no masetirem nya de no ayetwintwan eno achi limited motivation yen hye won mu nkura ne ombebre sa na ye obi operation na obi kwa wo so ne push ne nyina chi obekofi ne de obedie mpo eden eba ne sa na nipa na adwene mu obedwena se urade nyankopon na den professional mafai ye mo ye o na wo kirem a sanima we na akwaye akwansidie kase pa ede ama doctors midwives ana afin so nurses yi o kirem edu ba bi nso a akade o mu nya bi ema adwuma na ye den edu ba bi nso a o hwa ara sabia ba ko a se nurses yi dos doctors yi dos midwife we dos no na adwuma yefo na ekoye kuma bi eno achi nso adan ni sua na ho kira ba na nurse ni twa ne ho seya doctor ni twa ne ho midwife twa ne ho eba sa na ho kira na abai odin said to dwa at the fa 2026 eye Ghana College of Nurses and Midwife a year induction service dwumadi to dwa ewa University of Ghana Business School ewa Accra na sabtitira na dwumadi etua so any say building the future force. A call for strategic investment in specialist nursing and midwifery education. Professor Peter Adatala hremi say, make say de won be hia pass mfanifo be boa wonom na o masetrem ayede ente se be hadwen pam. E papa kirem ene Ghana nurse for doctors and midwife for obi anya kwanya pe na otu kwan wa fro mamu enya bibia. O masetrem nya de. E visa brofo no kwa kila tua na so Ghana ha say de kila tua na ma nurse no edwane. Eba ne sa pe na adwuma na ye den obi ku a wo so a na ogu efri say midwife ebi ni ho obese the Ghana former doctors and nurses for sitting no enye de.
And I also indicated that we are currently experiencing an aging population, and the aging population comes with its own problems, comes with chronic related diseases, and many of these chronic diseases require specialist attention. And so training more specialist nurses and midwifery will go a long way to address some of these healthcare needs of Ghanaians. If you look at the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, where they call Mahamake, is introduced in this direction. One, to take care of chronic non-communicable diseases such as hypertension, diabetes, the cancers. Ordinarily, taking care of these diseases is very expensive. Many people died in Ghana not just because their time was up, it was because they were not able to afford treatment. And so if government has introduced this fund to take care of these non-communicable diseases, then it's a policy that will really help go a long way to help in that domain. Another aspect is increasing the intake of specialists, not only in nursing, specialists in many of the healthcare professions will really go a long way to taking care of many of these chronic diseases. We are all in Ghana, we are aware of what is currently happening. It is not enough training these specialists, nurses and midwives in Ghana. What is important is how we are able to keep them. If their conditions of service is not improved and they are able to leave this country, they will do it. And it is a known fact that many of these specialists we are training, even those we have already trained before, quite a good number of them have left the country.
And omoko otido echredin. Eni a wote ono na ye din edema the School of Nursing and Midwifery Ewo University of Health and Allied Sciences. Ne den the Professor Peter Adatara and awote nenkan. Nanuachi and the President at the Ghana College of Nurses and Midwives. Ne den the Professor Victoria Bam at the adesre at the ato or my Ghana man penyanim say osra na da onfa dwete l'agence Sikakudi Enfantship specialists and nurses and nothing so midwife dwuma dem or manyim na emwa honom no munya tete enkwa animu osa kire mu say obesere pam sa ban tumi mwa honom na programs ahodo nhyehyɛ podo obegu akwan betumi aboa sebe yo menya nimde mapa na dwumade o mudie no matumi aboa na o man Ghana pom den atimi akonkane.
So far on say Ghana College of Nurses and Midwives yes you apon aban TSC ho say ye betiti a nurse for ni midwifery for so mobile specialist na college no nia aban emra no epese ye na say ye betiti omo ewo kwan ahodo enan so the highest level of training and ye friend no fellowship level no. Now, since Ghana College started say yeah, tete nurses and midwives as specialists, I feel we need the first timer, yeah, graduating or more from more fellows for all those years. Yeah, tete and I say you're training members be brave. So I feel or more nipa 11 or more passing out as specialist or one him there a modo a war near maybe more. Senior Beya, who a crabby si cra. That's a wood almost services are wombre and sana when your specialist services. And no NIS special thing this year. Yaniaje who pass ya pass out the first cohort of your fellows no senior Beya umbeboa ama intitieno akuso. Ente ye gusua any ministry no eka. And also na yesre amount for. So omumbra beboye because Osha general side that training nurses be brave ebi wo fie now so countries na pese any year agreement send ye be exporting nurses any midwives are more per specialist
hana mo pe bi pa o mo pe bi ankasa eni a wuti ye no ono ena ye president at the Ghana College of Nurses and Midwives the den at the Professor Victoria Bam ena wote nenkan eno achi ena rector at the Ghana College of Nurses and Midwives Dr. Mrs. Gloria Achempem enso echiremu say nema pina na ha wono mo pa enti omo de seto abanim ankwa ne mamoka biewum mu nyina mmeta wo machi na mo awonom na edu baabi a na nkonta ya to bentum.
So far, once Ghana College of Nurses and Midwives, yes, you are born a buying a TSC hall, say ye betty a nurse for midwifery for so mobile specialists. Na college near a buying emrano a pese ye say ye betty or more a choir ahugo and 9 so the highest level of training and a friend fellowship level no. Now, since Ghana College started to say to take nurses and midwives as specialists, I feel we need the first timer, graduating or more fellows for all those years. Titi and I say you're training members be brave. So I feel or more at Nipa 11 or more passing out as specialist or one name dear a modo a war near maybe more. Send ye beya, who a crabia si cra. That's a wood almost services are wombre and sana when your specialist services. And no NIS special thing this year. Ye niaje who pass ya pass out the first cohort of ye fellows no send ye beya umbeboa ama intitieno akoso. Ente ye guswa any ministry no can. And also na yesre amount for. So omumbra beboye because Osha general side training nurses be brave ebi wo fie nanso countries na pese any year agreement send ye be exporting nurses any midwives are more per specialist
any I would no na ya lecture at the Ghana College of Nurses and Midwives the doctor Mrs. Gloria Achempem Ansong and I would say nini
Yentua Kasiabone Sona ranking member Ewa Mashebe Jamu de Ma Foreign Affairs Committee Samuel Abdullahi Ayejinapo Afre Ayoma Penny John Dramani Mahama Muse Omomodiano onye emergency cabinet meeting sene be betimi aboa na send your mind Ghana Sikasemu how esifa kwa efa tension no koso Middle East no ometimi aye ho enhyehyɛ pa na yamra hyebedwani de madam mango esanso ekasa ye kyemu se ohwe hawa eno ekoso na enu anyansunsanso wo ye dwadie mu ma eba eye energy sector ni mu krampo na ade afango buo etimi akoso ye papa into obokokɔ saban amomode amfa hyehyɛ pa engu akwama ade ayenso yempuntu dwuma ebetimi akɔfam na ene ahokyerɛ pa de bi beba Ghana fo so sanse wo hwesa na se fango buo sifa akoso na ni yenso no sika wose ye didi dwuma no yentimi nye sika no emfa endi dwuma saa nti aban no emomode amfa eye hye pa engu akwemu sane ebeye betimi abo oman na Ghana fo so no ahokyere entimi emba omuso nti policies ahodo no wose efa Ghana sikasam ho ene hye pa betimi aboa oman Ghana.
True leadership is tested not in comfort times, not in better times, not in favorable times, but in tough times and in times of crisis. History has taught us over the years that leaders rise up to the occasion in times of crisis, and citizens expect a lot more from their leaders in times of crisis as we have it today. Within a space of just 2 weeks, we've had a spike in petrochemical. The price of petrol in our country is a spike, and clearly, I'm not an economist, but the economists will tell you that not too long from now, we're going to have the spiral effect. You're going to have transport fares go up. You're going to have inflation go up. You're going to have the cost of living crisis in our country exacerbated. It's going to get worse. It's going to happen. And this is where leadership is called upon. In 2008, during the global financial crash, President Kufuor rose up to the occasion. Free electricity, free water, brought about all kinds of measures for the vulnerable, fed the vulnerable, worked a formula out which ensured that healthcare workers were given tax rebates, generally gave incentives and relief and a welfare package to the mass of our people. This is what President Akufo-Addo did at the time of crisis. President Kufuor has done it. Today, Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer of the United Kingdom has just approved £53 million to support British citizens in the purchase of oil for heating during winter. Countries across the world are putting in place measures to cushion their citizens. Our government should also step forward, especially so when in opposition they even had prescriptions.
Enwechi anamrashebedwani ede madam mango edi tuja ana ochie mu se eye policies ahodo aban no eye ewo mining sector nim na nya de ekoyie ede ma investors.
For this drop, which is the Global Mining Attractiveness Index ranking, is a reputable international ranking agency which deals with investment attractiveness, conducive investment climate of countries. And Ghana is dropped by 7 points. The reasons are not far-fetched. The extractive industry, as in mining, petrochemical industry and all of that, is capital intensive and it's risky. And so you have a situation where you can sink in, for example, $1 billion United States dollars and not find any gold or not find any oil. And that is how it works.
Eni ya wuti ye mrashebedwani ede madam mango no anso ana ranking member we mrashebedwam ede ma foreign affairs committee Samuel Abdullahi Jinapo.
Yan to akasebo no so yemfa ya ni fanchire mu wa sentiment na make say ekunafo beboro oha edi no na atwema mponua mense no assembly wa sentiment mu abomode ata wo machi amoma dodode ya be hye omafuru mu ma efa wonom Ramadan akwantu kase ya kwankyena wo matuo no ebebo wo no pa na dwumade ewe no eye abanam sini edema de hye a wonom ewatwema mponua mensenem oniminyamfo eye Ibrahim Isaac ne sini nanso a wabɔ dwumadin ye pa na ne nyina no eye Razak ene dwumade sini nanso a kyese enuane ne na mapɔ de ma wonom ne konkan ye pa wo mensenem atitiri no wo ma wo ni bie mobro wafo no wo nyina atedenne na o kiremu say dwumade wode ma wo mo no ebiti say emo anwa spaghetti indomie and everything kokon ketenketin a wo manye mo manyine no wo nam akono wo nam ede wo de bi ka wonom ho a akwankyene yachi wo medidi say peche na disi ekiremu a dwumade asonko etesa no ayade wenyamwa edi free deputy Director General Edema Narcotics Control Commission Honorable Steven Yabo anso ta ekira ma dwumade yakono kama na aban na msini edema de sha wonmo atwema mponua mensenem mekire the district chief executive for atwema mponua Honorable Ibrahim Isaac ekiremu a anamompa watu apeso obo apa na sabi wo ma mu ni bie mabo awafo ene akunafo no nso wo betumi asere magidi peche efa ye Ramadan akwatu konkran bosom ba kwantu aye akwanche na didie nimu no ebeta wo makiri pa na okiremu a odagana mampeni berema obo ada John Dramani Mahama say wade nkokon ketenketen ababua wo men
omo ayo society omo ho omo pa yi na kafo ne akunafo ye se nkrabofo ye de ya chiriwe ba wie de ya na de ba wie ya ifi bia no aduane kakra Adjoa mane kakra ye se saka na mefa ne me omo ayo society omo ho omo pa yi na kafo ne akunafo ye se nkrabofo ye de ya chiriwe ba wie de ya na de ba wie ya ifi bia no aduane kakra Adjoa mane kakra ye se saka na mefa ne me penny for Otamachi Deputy Director General of Narcotics and the party ma yes babua tinedwe ye frɛ akunafo be ne pa be 120 say omomra na MPB kakra mo na omofam kwestani omachiri ya na bibi kakra na mfiri yanko aho so ifiri ya papa John Dramani Mahama nko ketekete na wode maaye no so aba mfa DLFM minya meye omo no na me say betma ye mo na se mo na enwo a ese me de ma omo amanya bi no na omo so omo abano so faso we ni pote titro pantia ene dwumadi ye
ene yankofo nani age omo afiri afempa ene ya wutia no ene ye aban ene msini de ma de hia wonom wo atwema mponua mensenem awa santementemu de den edoniminyamfo Ibrahim Isaac ene wote ne nkan na no achi ene ne ye ne anem kramufo ade hia ebinim ye akunafo mobro wo achese de ombedie mpo eni honom am chese nkonta to bentum amanfo be didi peche nanso ko ma fiafia eyesu na adwadwe fi se kapre eni honom omonsa ka japare de na se akese ye pe mu oden e de ama abanam se ne kiremu a omani agepa de owaye Allah the blessings emra ne nsrabem
so ade fefa wa ya ma ese yempa ibo a ibo ye de ta na chi afia duni a ya kwankyera e wo se wono so ye bibi ma ye me ye so ye hu se empa ya ibo ma no no wo betena akonya no so ade fefa de ma ye de be sane ya chiri bia e na ode ama ya akokọ e mo tale a ne indomi ni nyeme na no de anwan na me kuna awu agya nkula na woto ne safa se ye mra ye ba ye so so na mpa wa ya de fefa de ama ye disi aba ko disi aba akọ disi aba ko ye hunu bidda enye na me Mariama me nwura edan we mu da jo mama adaworo ma wode nkokwa ne ba amanfo se kokwa nkete ene nkokwa nkete no emfa so ani
nkokwa no nenne omanya bi akokwa kontwan ekoku bi ede ano amo fufuo banku ene eyi ye frɛ ne sen konkonteni ade yi ene a wote yi eya de hia wonom ye akunafo inyanka o masetrema ye den awa atwema mpomia mansen ne mu asante mantemu ena wote wonom edin amane boyi yamane boni Barbara Kranten na difre asante mantemu ebesom ye nyina wo esine mo adwenkyere ne tew na kasebo no ye mu no komu se pon na adwenkyere na betemu wo faase oye oyibobo atende ne de aba o se ode firi atwema na lebehin na ode ba ye na wo kyerem a damkuma no mo ba mu monkwaso anyina mo na so pampe na mbedi nkunim 2028 dole ya Adjoa Agyei de aba na wo so ma ya ha o no highlife edi free Christian village achim water o say happy birthday enko enfama eye Mrs. eye Ferrari eye Tanson dina den Tanson you mate Tanson o ye adwuma o Ecobank mate na naba Donald Frank de aba na o say kasa na doso dodo honabo izata ye bibi sanso na naba Donald Frank say dia kase eye undisputed mate na nasafo de aba na o say Ghana ba kope registration bebre the data banner is still killing us so we can't afford into data into ne hu hia yen na dole ya Adjoa Agyei de aba na o say God bless Sam George mate I said dia eye Laurentia na o say o maya ha o hwe life edi free achem eye kede ana kede ba wa yen kedek ti kede mum ye sure pa se me wo fa se ese dua Laurentia kede ne wo kan na Richard ahwe de aba na o say o maya ha Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa kasebo ne mo de enam DJ Ghana man fide ne so a na ye gbe station DLFM nest wase kasebo ne mo de pa de ya se na dwumade an ye po na o kyerem se ye wona po bam e de ade a na me wo fa se eye Winifred ayibia e de aba na wase o maya ha o kasa o hwe en live e de free latte DJ afiba kuruma na ye pe na kira kwan ye huni Asante Emmanuel de aba na wase o maya ha DN News o hwe live e de free Accra Medical Center wase in fact the system the system is not working in Ghana here. Ha dwen 8 years ni de bia registration kwa de ba dia. Kofi Parliament the abana was say Ocean Live was DN News. The best news station. Ocean Live edi free aguna Bobby Kuma apa. Na pega the abana was 24-hour economy no ye twen. Me wo fa say bawa saba GH and was Ocean Live edi free time comedy to BBC ho and wo hwe ye free awiai. Kasebo ne yemu nukom na Adjoa Agyei na pamfo emeto adwumadie ni so no eye deal adwumadie na san ye bekọ no empenin se ebo bi de agakwa ye nya ne kwanti me wo fast Barbara Kwanten de biaba o se awoda we ekọ de ama Caleb nyameche owusu amonone na wo Caleb nyameche owusu wo amonone na we efri Frempon Rooney Emmanuel o ye special aid edema afija kwabre not DCE no chirema ne eyo birthday so senior man yankopon hira opi onya okese enkwatenten onyini chire ne yankopon ho bambo ene yesere de amawo kukwa mpa bia wabo no yankopon tie usufre no nya wakoma so ebisade emfama happy birthday once again enkwamfama Caleb ya meche owusu awa monone we efri Frempon Rooney Emmanuel ona ye special aid edema afija kwabre not this no se yemfa woda sunku we no yemfa emaum na ne kwakra mu no efi DJ Zigibi o say special happy birthday eko ediama fresh mamenes Celestine Nana Adjoa Esiama eye asamia eye asamia moma wo Jubilee special ana no Jubilee hospital awa achem ota nti wase yankopon hira pona woda we no onye ne soronko enti ye maame a udin wono o se udin no eye fresh mame ness Celestine Nana Adjoa Asemia. Aha, me side budini bio. Nurse near within the fresh mame nurse. Celestine. Nana Adjoa Asemia. We adwuma wo Jubilee Hospital. Ewo Achem Oda. DJ Zigibi ni na busunya say. Yan kan so mo do ye pa. Ya mi nhyira wo. Onye okese onfamfra atomu enkwa adomu enkwa tenten yede na onyi kire. Kukompa be wabon twede yampa yankopon ti asopam na onye ne nyina emfama wo. Wei efi DJ Zigibi enna busunya nchen na wono mo say yemfa woda sonko wei no. Yemfa ema wo yankopon hyira pa na woda no. Onye no sonko kra. Na me wafa ase ye friend say dola ya jewe di aba. O say woda enkonfama me says eye Verily. Eye Tansan, Tansan. Oye adwuma Ecobank. Yankopon hyira pa na woda no. Onye no sonko. Kasebo ne de asi emusamufo ne ya Miss Mabel antwene say mo. Kofitela de PM Facebook and if YouTube anya bi hwe yen. DJ Zigibi echinchim efenifo masom ya wiai akenkanfo ye yemienu edi ameje so yo wofa ose ade yo the one at Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mene
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa
ye kwei akire mo hima radio mu ya asanto a makajas na wofa ase na Adjoa Siki ena obetenem edidira wadwumadie no abesom ye mo nyina moniti adehye.
Give us P capsules. Give it to me, baby. Give us core capsules as well. And man, me nyina akoko yade. Sisi yade, amama nya yem timotete womono. Yedro no. Manumbi, amama de me ho. Give us core capsules. Mrs. Moye ding. Give us core capsules. I give it to you, baby. You give it to me. Oh yeah. Hey. Give us no. Amen ni jia bebusuemu papa. Na bema ka give us P capsules. And ni give us core capsules nom dia na enije ni ahoden no wa brudo Give us P capsules meme wadi ifiedu watwede kronkwan na efa Give us core capsules apemfo abata wo mo manufo ne nkwada wo ne ifiedu mienu nka ho e wo drosto bia motofo nko Give us herbal center Teshi mobile and Teshi aduami phone numbers 0543 222 470 and 050 68
FD ahwehwe saa ejedi enkrato imu agiatum.
Follow us on our social media handles on our website, DLFMonline.com. Education, information, and entertainment right here on DLFM 106.9.
Daddy Lumba no tama mi wokora mi yewu mi wo Ghana hanti Daddy Lumba fitin ninyum fiti ase nyina na mitie ninyum no binaso minti enyum na sin niye inti afina mitie na utayi nyum no esema astia maye pa na mitie nyum no afina nyum no ekomi kuma mo pa inti mudama midama se ni mujuma pa mudie ma Ghana
yeda se
I'm on fire,